Okay, question 6. A student set up 2 experiments for electroplating steel keychains with copper. Then, so these are the setup, experiment 1 and 2. Complete the tables of information about the experiment. Okay, so the ionic equations at carbon rod experiment 1, right? Experiment 1, the carbon rod will be positive is anode. So this is anode where the oxidation takes place. And this obviously will be the cathode where the reduction takes place. Okay, same thing here. Anode, oxidation, cathode, reduction. Okay, so for the carbon rod, because it is inert, right? The species that will be discharged is your OH minus from the aqueous medium. For the steel keychain, it will be plated with the copper ions. Will be plated from the electrolyte. For experiment 2, right, because the anode is reactive, it's a reactive electrode, so it will be preferentially discharged. Okay, so the copper itself will be discharged, and then the steel keychain as per normal will be plated with copper ions. Describe and explain the observations seen in the electrolyte in each experiment. So in experiment 1, right, the electrolyte will be used up. The copper 2 plus will be used up from the electrolyte. So the blue color will be discharged. It turns from blue to colorless. In experiment 2, right, the electrolyte will remain blue. That's because for every copper that is reduced onto the keychain, this same amount of copper will be discharged from the reactive anode copper electrode. Alright, so there's no change. The electrolyte remains blue. A student repeated experiment 2 with another keychain. However, she left the keychain in the setup without closing the switch for days. What is the one change you will observe in the keychain? Definitely the plating doesn't take place because the circuit isn't closed. However, we just got to think, if we put 2 metals, right, with different reactivity inside the electrolyte, what will likely happen? Okay, so the metal that is more reactive will be oxidized, and the metal that is less reactive will actually be reduced. Okay, so the steel material, right, in the keychain will dissolve away because it is iron, right? Iron is more reactive than your copper. So iron will dissolve the copper out of the solution. Okay, so the copper 2 will be displaced out of the solution to become copper metal, and then iron will dissolve in the solution as iron 2 plus. Hi parents and students, I'm Mr. Kwa, founder and principal tutor from Mr. Khemistry. I do these videos to help more students understand difficult chem concepts, and hopefully more needy students who are not able to afford tuition, they can benefit from these videos. Please help me click that like button and share it with your friends so that more students can benefit. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.